I'm just sitting in my parked car trying to get the motivation to do a vlog. I've been meaning to do it like all week. I put out one video. I knew I needed a vlog, so it's just hard when you're not motivated. Like, I love making content. I've always loved making content. It just feels so awkward vlogging. I didn't used to be. I didn't used to feel weird filming at all. When I was like younger, I always had a camera on me. And we'd always go skate and stuff and be goofy with the camera, but now that I get to do it on my own, it's fucking terrifying. And I have been working on my front style combo. And I've gotten a lot better at it since last time. And I should have filmed me doing it more, but I'm unmotivated. Hits really hard for it coming back. The camera audio is shit, so until I get a new camera, that's another reason why I don't want to. That I've been feeling unmotivated is because my audio is so bad. But I'll get that fixed eventually. I'm out of town right now, and I've got nothing to do for like 2 hours. I could just sleep in the car. I almost did that. It just took me hours and hours to like run through it very slowly, just to get it to work once. But I think I ran through, since the last time I filmed, I've finally been able to get through the whole combo very slowly, like once or twice. So that's still progress, and that makes me happy, but it just feels so bad about doing nothing when you should be doing something, especially something creative like filming a video. Keep looking to see if there's people watching me, and I don't know why. Like, why would they watch me? I'm just some random guy in your town trying to film a yo-yo video. I went to my skate park, hung out with some friends, and got them to try doing some yo-yo, so I'll throw that footage in here too.
This is the camera, dude. We gotta try. I don't think I've ever been so bad at something when I tried it. It's hard, dude. Fuck, man. Should I try a switch? Is it called switch if you use your left hand?
No.
What's it called?
I don't know. They don't have a term for it.
Is it harder?
Yeah, way harder.
Can you do it?
No.
Why isn't it working? Got a trick for you, dude. Man, wound up tighter than shit. I can't catch for the shit, dude. I can't believe it. I feel like a retard, dude. I almost got doubles. Yes, dude.